So in this video we're gonna check the size of TCL washing machine and measure it from all of the sides. And to do this, first we'll need to check the width, and the width is 59.5 centimeter, or actually 59 exactly. Then we can measure the height, and that is adjustable with the legs, so that means this measurement won't be perfect, and it reaches 84 centimeters from the bottom. Then we can measure the length from the farthest point is 45.5 centimeters. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.